Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can remove contacts from Facebook. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Facebook. Once you open Facebook, you simply need to click on three bars in the top right, and then you need to scroll and click on settings and privacy first, and then you need to click on settings, and here you need to scroll down to the bottom until you will find the option of media and contacts. Click on that option and click on browser settings, and here you can see the option of autofill contact forms. You simply need to turn that off. So you can see that. So this is a process by which you can turn off contacts on Facebook. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.